Hi, this is Cody Delaney here, Government Sales Manager. Just wanted to show you one of the vehicles that we custom upfit for the city. This is a mobile adoption / veterinary clinic. So it's got your roll-up doors, cages as you can see inside, battery compensators. It's equipped with an AC unit, several storages, closet, 4 cubic refrigerator, storage shelves up top, and also mobile carriers and slots for those animals. If you don't mind, come inside and we'll show you all the features inside. Once again, thank you very much. Give us a call for any specialty needs you have, upfits. Give us a call at 713-678-5000. Thank you.